Manipur Baptist Convention, Council of Baptist Churches in Northeast India, Asia Pacific Baptist Federation amadi Baptist World Alliance ki miyoi tarana saba church leader singi team ama ngasi Sanapati da chatuna UNC amadi Civil Society Group ki mihut singa unaduna wari sanakre. UNC ki office ta pangthokiba wari sanaba duda hojik kuki amadi Naga gi maiki animak na phajinduna thamliba kanglup animak ki mihut sing thadoknaba wafam amadi lamdam asida ingtappa hanjil hannaba wafam sing khanaki. UNC gi maiki digi su church leader singna pukhalakliba wafam adu taramna woi aikhoi santi pami haiba wafam sing phongdoki hairi. Nakalamromda church leader singi team amasu kangpokpi da chatuna mafam adugi CSO singa unaduna wari sanakre so hairi.
Yes, today the Baptist leaders comprises of CPCNI, MBC brought the appeal letter, joint appeal letter from the World Baptist Alliance, Asia Pacific Baptist Federation, CPCNI, Manipur Baptist Convention, and we have we welcome the peace initiative and the gesture they have made to us. We have seriously noted, and of course, decisions that lies with our highest decision-making bodies. We will be considering on that, and in this regards, we have made it very clear that we want peace. So peace can only come when there is admission to the truth.
This is a painful moment for the families of those who lost their own family members, and this is the time that we all have to restrain ourselves, have patience, and this is also the time that I will appeal to all the community members, whatever had happened, to forget the past and forgive each other and move forward for the future. That will be my message.
So after interacting with all the communities and Naga communities, what is the main concern and sentiment that the people have shared with you?
Yeah, let me clarify to you. We have given the appeal to both the communities, both the Nagas and the Bukis. I personally have not been able to meet them because my responsibility is to come and meet the Naga people here. And now that it is a privilege that Naga United Council has given me the opportunity to meet them, and then we have discussed certain things in relation to the prevailing situation, and I hope that something good will come out of this.
From what you have observed so far,
Yes.
is there a sense of willingness, or is the division still very deep?
Yes, the pain and suffering is still there, and also as far as I am concerned, that I believe that when the truth is revealed, I think there can be some kind of a closure on this matter.
What is the urgent appeal or the message for peace and reconciliation in Manipur?
Yes, as I have said that I think we should not believe in the rumors. That is number one. And there are also a lot of social media uploads. I think people should verify before believing all those propaganda. And if we can restrain ourselves and forgive each other, the peace will return to Manipur. It is the concern of all of us, and then we as a CPCNI also have been praying for this, that the sense of brotherhood and also the humanity will come back to this beautiful state of Manipur.